Hello everyone, welcome back to Mocha Dishes. Today we are going to be making chicken kebab. You're going to need 2 kilos of chicken breast and you're going to want to cut them into cubes. You're going to need around 2 tablespoons of cilantro and 2 tablespoons of ginger. You're also going to want to add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. The secret of mine is that I love to use molasses. It gives the chicken a sweet and salty taste. I also add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I also add 1 teaspoon of my own personal spice. I will show you how to make that in another video. I also add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I then mix all the chicken together for around 3 to 5 minutes or until all the spices are equally distributed throughout the chicken. Once I'm done mixing, I add 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Now I'm adding the molasses. I use around 1 tablespoon. And you're going to let it saturate for around half an hour in a cool place. Then you're going to want to fry it. I use vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You're just going to want to let it sit on medium-high heat. Right before I fry it, I give it a little mix just so the spices can again be equally distributed. Alright, now you're just going to want to fry it for around 5 to 6 minutes or until it becomes a beautiful golden brown color. And there you have it, beautiful golden brown chicken kebabs. Hope you enjoyed.
Ay, ay, ay.